Hello and welcome to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm going to be doing a clean and decorate with me. Now let me explain the decorate piece. So if you've been watching my channel, you already know that I have my grandchildren here visiting for about six to 7 weeks or so. And when they came, I kind of took a lot of my things out of the room to make space for them to play, that type of thing. So today I'm doing like a cleanup, putting things back in place. And if you're interested in getting some good cleaning motivation, then just keep watching. Thank you so much for joining today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go, let's get it done. So this is the current state of my family room area, living room. It is just about a mess. This is where I spend the majority of the day with the kids. So they play in here, they nap in here, everything. So it's quite a mess. There's things all up under the sofa and the cushions, just everywhere that I need to clean out. The pack and play is just full of things. So let me go ahead and start the work. This pack and play was so disgusting, just full of crumbs and everything. So I'm using my Dyson to just get it all cleaned up. And now I'm trying to figure out how to break this thing back down. These things are so complicated to me. I watch the parents and they just kind of do it with one hand. They know exactly what to do, but I always struggle with these things. And same thing with the stroller. It's just a disaster. My granddaughter decided to leave her doll here. She said that she already has 6 babies at home, so she didn't mind leaving this one behind. So I have the doll, but the funny thing is she leaves me instructions with how to care for her doll in her absence. So I have to make sure that I follow her instructions. Normally I would be using the vacuum to do this space here, but because there's toys and things pushed way up under the sofa and the chair, I just decided to use the broom to kind of sweep up under there and see what's under there before running a vacuum to make sure I get any of the big pieces out of there. And this is just some of the junk that I was able to pull out from under the sofa. You'd be surprised at how much stuff you find tucked away. I found pieces of crayon. I found my remote control that I hadn't been able to find. Just all types of little things hidden here and there and everywhere.
Down
So now I'm just using my carpet cleaner. It's just a little lightweight Bissell cleaner, and I use it for my rugs. It's really convenient to have it. But I was out of carpet cleaner. I usually use the, I think it's the Bissell carpet cleaner or the Hoover carpet cleaner, but I didn't have either. So I just put warm water and vinegar in the reservoir, and that's what I'm using. Whenever I get a spill or anything like that on my carpet or furniture, I always try vinegar and water first and just kind of blot it to see if it comes out. And it works really, really well. So I use that the majority of the time. If it's something that's a little bit more stubborn, I might try the Awesome spray on it. But the carpet is starting to look a lot better and fresher with the vinegar and water, so all is well. So now I'm just going ahead and dust my little TV stand, and I'm going to go ahead and put some decorations on here just to kind of add a little bit of Christmas decor in here. Since the kids are gone now, I don't have to worry about anybody pulling anything down or playing with it or whatever. So just get it cleaned up first so that I can go ahead and get that done. Now normally I would have a Christmas tree in here. My main tree would be in the living room, dining room area. But because the kids were here, I didn't do that. I put one up in my bedroom, and I have that going. And I was going to go ahead and try to put one up now, but it's just too late in the, season to be putting up a tree. Today is December 19th, so I'm not going to go through the bother, but I will go ahead and put a little bit of decor around the fireplace and on the table just so that I can enjoy it. So I brought my table back in. I had been keeping that in the garage because my grandson kept trying to stand on it. So I was able to bring that back in and go ahead and look for some decor within my home. I'm shopping my home for everything. I did not buy anything recently for what I'm putting out here. This is all things that I already had in my home. So I'm going ahead and put some fairy lights around this piece of garland that I found in my Christmas stash just to add a little bit more festivities here. And then I just have this large bowl and some vase filler that I put on my table. But let me get this straightened out. These fairy lights, they were all tangled up or whatever. So I am so bad with putting my Christmas stuff up the way that it should be, and then the following year I always have a tangled mess. So I vowed that this year when I put stuff away, since I don't have that much that I pulled out, I'm going to try to organize it better and be in a better position next year. I say that every year, but we'll see. Tell me down in the comments below, do you keep your Christmas decorations all organized and your lights all detangled and all of that? What do you do, and how do you do it if you're able to accomplish it? Because I struggle. Now for this little side table, I just pulled out a reindeer that I had and a little Christmas tree that lights up. And I'm just looking around, just trying to see what I can move there. I had this Christmas cactus that I picked up at Aldi some weeks back, and it looks cute. It's festive. So that's what I'm going with for now. I don't think I'm going to change anything up. Like I said, it's already the 19th of December, so it's just a few more days and I'll be looking at switching out decor anyway. So I just wanted to have something. So I'm putting a red holiday candle on here that I picked up from Aldi's. I believe they were $3.99, maybe $4.99, but it's a holiday cranberry, I believe is it the title of it. But it smells really, really good, and I love it. So this is the space all finished. I feel that it's very, very cozy, and that is always the vibe that I'm going for. I spent a lot of time in this space, so I need it to be comfortable, cozy, relaxing, and functional. So I put a tray out here, but as you can see, I don't have a lot on it. I just have my little beverage there that's in my glass that says Noel on the base. I thrifted that glass last year from Goodwill. And I've got some grapes there, and then my remote controls. That's all I have in the tray right now. And I have my red pillows. I've ordered these pillow covers off of Amazon, and then I just have my throws. I love to have a lot of throws because I like to be warm, so I will sit here, have the fireplace going, and be wrapped up all the time. So I always have to have a lot of throws around. This vase filler I picked up from Ross at the beginning of the holiday season, and the bowl that they're in was thrifted. This is the holiday cranberry candle from Aldi. And then this is all I've done here at this table. So I think I added my little Christmas touch to it, keeping it very simple and functional. I didn't put up a Christmas tree because, the kids were coming and they're young, and I didn't want to have problems since I have limited space. So I put my Christmas tree up in my bedroom. If you've not seen that video, I'll link it above in the iCard and the description box so that you can check it out. It is beautiful, and I am really enjoying it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not currently subscribed. Hit the post notification bell, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.